Hey guys! Yep, this is another set of gadgets you might be interested in. There's something that creators will definitely appreciate, and something that'll change your fitness and work routine. Nice! All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Did you know that the first robots were created by Leonardo da Vinci centuries ago? And now you can make a similar one by yourself. This is a DIY kit for assembling a wooden drawing machine. Once you've completed it, you'll be surprised at what it can do. Put a pin in the wooden hand and spin the small wheel. It'll make the whole wheel system rotate, and you'll see how the machine is actually drawing. Every kit includes 4 interchangeable discs for drawing different sketches. You can also choose the model design. There's a robotic hand, a skeleton arm, and a medieval armor. These amazing machines from the 15th century won't leave anyone unfazed. This cool flying toy is great for both kids and grown-ups. You won't believe how many tricks you can do with it. Touch the up button, shake the toy, and start playing. Thanks to its powerful propeller and hand control technology, you can throw it up into the air and it'll come back to you like a boomerang. Or play with your friends and family, throwing it to each other. There are actually thousands of tricks to perform. Bright LEDs allow you to play even in low light conditions. And a special magic wand provides you with more control over the toy, like changing its flying directions and light modes. Oh, and don't worry about dropping it. The case is made of solid plastic, so it's drop resistant. As for the rechargeable battery, it lets you play for half an hour straight. Nice! This little gadget might be a game changer for everyone who cares about music quality. Compact as it is, this stick is able to convert all your digital audio to analog. It works both with Windows and Mac as well as mobile devices, so you can either plug it into your USB port or use any other adapter. The 2.1-volt output lets you connect various types of amplifiers and headphones. Everything works just fine. Virtually all audio formats are supported, whether you play a YouTube video or lossless quality music. The sound is as clear as it gets without any delays or distortion. The gadget also does a great job at reducing the noise coming from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular networks. Nothing will stand between you and your music. These ergonomic earbuds will be appreciated not just by music lovers, but by mobile gamers as well. Connect them to your phone and enjoy the highest quality of sound whether you're listening to music or gaming. And yes, you can easily switch from music to game mode whenever you like. Thanks to their noise cancellation technology, you won't get distracted by external sounds in the middle of the session. You won't notice any latencies either. As for the stylish black case, it provides 16 extra hours of power to your Cyberpods. And the neon lights on the case and buds serve as battery level indicators. This way you'll always know how much is left. That's a full immersion. Do you need quality lighting for your photos and vlogs? Now first, this light is extremely versatile, featuring 20 various effects. The color temperature is adjustable from 2500K up to 9000K, letting you set the needed atmosphere. In addition, the light supports HSI color control with over 350 colors to choose from. Naturally, the brightness is adjustable as well, plus the detachable silicone diffuser helps to make the light really nice and soft. The package also includes a universal mount for all your tripods and cameras. Despite the completely pocketable size, the light will last up to 3 hours on a full charge. Check the built-in screen for all your settings and battery status. Here we have a cool accessory for your MacBook Pro. Split it apart and it turns into a stand for your devices. But it also doubles as a multifunctional hub with every input you'll ever need. Just attach it to your MacBook and it's ready to go. It has 3 USB 3.0 ports for data transfer, while HDMI will either extend or mirror your screen, and let you enjoy watching films and sport matches in 4K quality. And if you need to connect other displays to your laptop, there's a dual Thunderbolt 3 port. It provides top data transferring speed, and you can even charge your MacBook while you work. An Ethernet input is compatible with up to 1000 megabits per second speed networks, so you always have fast and stable internet. And of course, there's a 3.5mm audio port for your mic. No matter how many wires you need, this small device will make sure your MacBook is more efficient than ever. Here's another great device for those who can't imagine their life without music. This outdoor speaker is loud enough for your outdoor adventures, and if you pair 2 of them, you'll get an outdoor stereo system. Connect it to your phone via Bluetooth or use a cable, the choice is yours. And what's even better, the device is 100% water, shock, and dust proof. There's more. The speaker also doubles as a case where you can store all your valuables. Cool. So you can carry it anywhere you like since its shape and handle allows you to do that. The 2600 mAh battery will last for 40 hours on one charge, and a hidden USB will let you keep your phone alive for a long time. That's a bargain. This box cutter is surprisingly functional, yet simple and safe to use due to its unique ergonomic design. The handle's made of durable nylon, and the shape provides a steady grip while protecting your hand. The slider reveals the ceramic blade, which is way more durable than steel, and it's also safer for your fingers. And when you're done, the slider will automatically hide it inside the tool. As for durability, the blade will last 10 times longer compared to a metal one, but if you need to change it, there's a blade storage with some extra blades in the rear handle. The replacement will take you less than a minute and doesn't require any tools at all. You might also like this option. It's just as safe and reliable, yet it can easily fit in your jeans pocket. There's even an inbuilt magnet and a lanyard, so you can always have it with you. Huawei has made something special this time, a Bluetooth earphone that actually transforms into a smartwatch. How cool is that? The gadget is equipped with a 1.5-inch AMOLED screen that displays all your notifications and incoming calls. That's the coolest part. When taking a phone call, you simply detach the gadget from the wristband and use it as an earphone. The dual mic noise cancellation along with smart audio software make sure you sound perfectly clear. And on top of that, this is a great fitness companion. The gadget is able to track your blood saturation and real-time heart rate. Keep this thing on at night to get a detailed analysis of your sleep routine, and the stress tracking feature will take care of your mental health. Almost all these features are also available in the basic B5 model for a more affordable price, although you do get a slightly smaller 1.1-inch screen with lower resolution. As for the battery life, it's about 6 hours of talk time for the basic version and up to 8 hours for the high-end one, but the design is almost identical. Both models are provided with a variety of replaceable bands, choose from leather, silicone, and metal. And last but not least, both versions are fully waterproof. No one likes flossing, but this unique electric flosser is meant to change that. It creates 12,000 sonic vibrations per minute, quickly and efficiently cleaning between your teeth, and it also softly massages your gums without damaging them. The device has an ergonomic handle that resembles a toothbrush. It gives you easy access to places that are usually hard to reach. And to make sure you won't miss flossing, there's a smart LED tracking technology to monitor your daily progress. The gadget is waterproof, so you can even use it in the shower. And with the magnetic mount, you can put it on your mirror and always have it nearby. The handle's aluminum, and replaceable floss heads are made of sustainable materials. Dental care has never been easier. A tiny flashlight with pretty huge power? Let's check it out. The whole gadget weighs hardly an ounce. Although it's fully made of copper, all it takes to turn the light on or off is a little twist. And most importantly, this thing delivers 60 lumen output. Really impressive for its size. Thanks to the high-quality optical lens, the beam is soft and perfectly balanced. Aside from that, there's a fluorescent reflector that makes it easier to find the flashlight in the dark. The included battery will give you up to 25 minutes of use on one charge. Speaking of that, the gadget comes with a really neat USB charging accessory. Simply screw the charger to the base, plug in the cord, and wait for the LED light to turn green. Feel free to put this flashlight on your keychain and use it in any conditions. This thing is dust and waterproof. Your old bulky flashlight can now retire. Turn your regular watch into a cool goth-style accessory. All you need is this creepy skull clip or even several ones at a time. There are plenty of design options to choose from featuring various materials, acrylic, titanium, and zirconium. And the inlays are slightly different as well. You get to choose between brass and cupronickel. Actually, all models look great. What's more, the clips are really lightweight so they won't feel uncomfortable on your hand. Well, naturally, the metal versions are a bit heavier. The clip's universal size lets you use them with all types of watches, including the smart ones as well as your backpack straps. Now you're living the rock star life. This fidget spinner actually looks like another stylish accessory. It stands out with an unusual shape and premium materials. There are several materials to choose from, including titanium, brass, and stainless steel, along with that semi-transparent acrylic model. And you'll definitely appreciate the huge variety of colors, from classic silver to the vivid blue. You can make the spinner even more eye-catching by installing colorful luminous beads. Also, the center part is actually removable, so you can wear this thing on your finger while spinning it. Cool! You might might also attach the spinner to the special rod, transforming it into a nice little mace. And here's another great model that you should check out. The design here is slightly different, but it's no less unique and versatile. You can transform the spinner into a ring in a couple of seconds. Although it comes in several colors and finishes, this aged copper version looks almost like an antique. Both spinners are completely pocketable, so you can keep them at hand for the most stressful moments.